Hello friends. In this jar is something we would otherwise throw away. That is tea grounds. This video will show you for uses of tea grounds and use it as fertilizer for plants. First, it will enrich the soil. Using tea grounds to fertilize plants will loosen the soil. It adds organic matter and improves soil fertility. Second, prevent mold and pests that are harmful to plants. Research shows that tea leaves have antibacterial properties, inhibiting the growth of fungi and pests that are harmful to plants. Third, stimulate flowers to bloom quickly, large flowers, long-lasting. Diluted tea water can be used to water ornamental flowers. This method will stimulate flowers to bloom quickly, have large flowers, and last a long time. Fourth, promote the speed of composting organic fertilizer to make fertilizer for plants. Tea grounds help speed up the decomposition of organic matter. Can be mixed into organic waste for composting or directly applied to plants with organic matter. If you find the video useful, remember to like and share it so everyone can know. Goodbye and see you again.